Hello student, welcome to today's session. We are going to try one important chemical reaction of alkene where addition of peroxyacid is being added to alkene. Let us try to solve this, understand this within 3 minutes. So here comes the question, very interesting question it is. So here in the question what is being asked is you have to identify the epoxide formed in the reaction. So trans-but-2-ene is being treated with a peroxy acid where all the oxygen are having isotopic oxygens. So out of these 3 or 4 options you have to identify the correct answer. So the question seems to be very easy, but here stereochemistry is also asked, and which isotopic oxygen is to be added across the double bond. Here we need to understand the mechanism first. So this is the viewpoint where peroxy acid is being added across the double bond. This is we have. So for this first we have to develop a mechanism. So what is there in this mechanism? So in this mechanism, if you could see that if I just make a transition state like this, where if these two electrons come here and this H positive goes out, and these two electrons come here and this two go here. So as a consequence, these two electrons would move this side and this will move this side to make a bond with this H which is being lost. So what exactly do we get here is something like this. You end up getting a bond like this. Along with it, what is being formed here is OH, and here you get a double bond. Now the matter of the fact is what is being asked is that which oxygen it is. It was 18 here, this was 18, this was 17, this was 16. So it is the 18 oxygen which got added. And another thing is it was trans-but-2-ene means that it is Me here, H here, and Me here, H here. So that means it is what type of addition happened? Syn-Addition. That the species which added across the double bond is from the same side. So here you also get methyl H and methyl. Now you have to figure it out. Is this the option given in the question? Let me check this out. So it is 17 is wrong. 18 can be the right answer, but here the two methyls are same side, so this is also wrong. And here also it is 16, this is also wrong. So the answer to this question is D. When for a some question in organic chemistry, when some question the answer comes out to be none of these, it is very difficult to answer actually in the paper where the stress level is very high. I hope you have understood this particular small topic well in depth. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Stay safe and stay connected.